Hey guys, welcome back to Clubhouse Kids. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you what was in my kids' science box over the last 5 weeks. And so we have been learning about astronomy. So everything that I'm going to show you today in this video is all related to the study of astronomy. So first, what I've been doing for science this year is we have been doing calendar connection cards. Those are the cards that you see behind me in those pocket folders that are yellow and green and then red and blue. And then I will link that blog down below where you can get her calendar connection cards. They are amazing and they really enrich our study of science, especially the study of astronomy that we've been doing. So every day I will just read one of those cards. It has a picture that goes along with it, and it's just something related to astronomy. And they are just the coolest, and the kids really enjoy that. So we do that daily, and then once a week the kids get into the science box, and just for this school year they can just do anything that they want that's in that science box. So I'm going to be showing you what we did for astronomy. So first in our box they had an activity, and it was just this just order of planets activity, and then just these little flashcards that each have each of the planets, and they would just put the planets in order. And then I had some posters, and these are just posters of each of the planets, and it just gives a blurb about each of these. These are from TPT. I will try to find them. The kids really like these because I feel like they were just very basic knowledge overview of each of the planets. And they would actually put these in order, in the correct order as well. So you really wouldn't need to have this and the order of planet activity. This was also from TPT. I will link this. You could have one or the other because I noticed that they ended up just using these to put the planets in order. And then this is just a little flip book that I got off of Teacher Pay Teacher, and it just kind of goes through why we have the seasons, and it's just a very basic book, and it just explains it really well. So this was a really good resource to find. And then I have all of my books. Most of my astronomy books are from Scholastic and Amazon. So the first one is just a rookie science book, and this is just about astronauts. This is a Star Wars book, Earth Solar System. This is just a level 2 Scholastic book, just on the solar system. Then I have a couple of the Discovering My World books. So I have the planets and moons. And then I have some Scholastic News books, and this one's on Earth, Saturn, and Uranus. And then this is a really cool book. The kids really enjoyed this one. It's 1000 Facts About Space. And then there's just so much information in this book, and they really liked this one. This is a really cool book. It's called The Stars, and you can actually, they ended up taking these outside at night and using this book, but this is a really cool book. This is a book that they got as a gift a couple years ago for Christmas. And then the last book that we'd use this month is Explore and Learn Earth and Space. And this is another very really cool nonfiction book that just has an overview of all different kinds of different topics. So those are the books that the kids used this month to read. Another activity they did was in our box is a bunch of little toys, and then I have some flashcards. So this one says Space Station, and they would have to match up the toy with the space station. This one says Space Shuttle, and here's the space shuttle here, and so on. And then I also have a couple just like astronauts and random things that I found. I went ahead and put in this bucket because my son actually just liked to take them outside and play with them, and then after he kind of matched them up. And then the last thing that I had in this box was just a big Melissa and Doug solar system puzzle. This puzzle is so cool, and the kids just really enjoyed putting this together. It's a pretty simple puzzle. They're big pieces. There's only 48 pieces in the puzzle, so it goes together really quick, so it worked out really well for their 20-minute science time. This would take, 5 minutes, and then they can move on to something else. So that is what we did for astronomy. Our next science discovery box will be ecology, so I'm going to set that up, and then I will be sharing that with you guys in a later video. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.